A few weeks ago, we announced the Starting Strength Gym's franchise gym project. And a part of that project is the development of a line of Starting Strength signature equipment. The equipment part of this thing is being handled by Texas Strength Systems. The rack you see behind us is the Starting Strength rack. He has developed the Starting Strength bench. We had a video on that a few days ago. There is an A-frame plate rack like the ones you see behind me here. And there's a little bar jack that's going to come along with the equipment. An extremely important part of this equipment development is the Starting Strength bar. Starting Strength bars, these are the three. They're in 20 kilo, 15 kilo, and a 10 kilo bar. These were developed by Buddy Capps of Capps Welding. Now, I've known Buddy for decades, and when we first developed the idea for the Starting Strength bar, we approached him about it because I've got 3 original Texas power bars in this gym that he made in 1980 that are all still perfectly straight. With that kind of quality and that attention to detail, he was my first choice for a bar manufacturer. And Buddy agreed to make the bar to our specs, and what you see behind me are the Starting Strength bars. They are all bare steel. There is no coating on these bars, and they will age along with the gym, along with the experience of the lifter, and they will develop a nice patina, like a gun blue, in the period of time that they are in your gym. They age with you. The bars are bushing bars. They are not bearing bars, so they're affordable. And with a little drop of oil, these things will spin as well as a bearing bar, and you can do snatches and cleans on these things as well. If you're one of these types that doesn't like the knurl bunged up by the pins, then don't put your snatch bar in the rack. Just save it for the Olympic lifts. But this bar will work just fine for the Olympic lifts. It's a 28.5 millimeter shaft. It's got both the IPF and the IWF score marks on it. The 20 kilo bar has a center knurl. The 15 and the 10 do not. But the primary feature of this bar is this wonderful knurl that Buddy developed for this. I don't believe he uses this knurl on any of his other bars. He developed this knurl just for us, and it is the perfect balance between a sharp and a fine knurl. And it's comfortable to handle. It provides an excellent grip. It takes chalk and sheds chalk perfectly. You'll enjoy this bar, I promise. The sleeves are also not coated. It's a double roller pin assembly, no little cheap clips involved in the assembly of this bar. And I think that for $325, $250, and $225, you'll not find a better value in the entire industry on a quality general purpose gym bar. Starting Strength bar should be your next barbell purchase. Go to our website, look for the equipment tab, and there'll be a link to Capps Welding under that tab. Thanks.